Pulumi Insights is intelligence for infrastructure as code. It adds advanced search, analytics, and AI to infrastructure as code. With Insights, you can gain unique insights into an organization's cloud usage and trends, and boost engineering productivity. Insights has 3 pillars of functionality. The first pillar is search. You can find anything in any cloud. You can ask any questions about your infrastructure across more than 100 clouds using either structured search queries or natural language prompts. Search helps you find that needle in the haystack, locating a single resource across many clouds and environments. The next pillar is analytics. You can gain deeper insights into cloud infrastructure. You get a REST API that can be used to programmatically query and add automation around search results, or to integrate with internal platforms and dashboards. You can export data to other data warehouses, including Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, and Azure Synapse. You also have built-in dashboards that give you key insights about cloud usage. These analytics capabilities can be used to identify anomalies or trends in resource usage and dig into cost, security, and compliance concerns. The last pillar is AI. Pulumi Insights embeds new AI capabilities throughout the Pulumi platform. Pulumi deeply understands usage patterns and can deliver recommendations or even generate infrastructure as code automatically. You can now use a new companion website to author infrastructure as code programs using large language models. You can also use a new CLI to author the Pulumi program as well as modify the infrastructure. Pulumi Insights now provides unrivaled intelligence into cloud resources, so you can gain unique insights about usage and trends and boost engineering productivity. Go try it out today.